Madam, will you take action against the Hindu Mahasabha by asking Haryana police to register an FIR?
Yes,
register an FIR of 506 criminal intimidation and 341 criminal restraint.
Please, if you don't go,
will you register an FIR against these people tomorrow? Do you give an undertaking to Times Now today? Will you give an undertaking on this channel today that if you are serious, you want to protect the women of this country, will you get an FIR registered against these people who are fundamental, who are...
It's a real challenge for the... I would say it's a real challenge for the government. No, Miss Kumaramangalam.
You are the chairperson.
You are the chairperson.
When Supreme Court has said that such kangaroo courts are illegal, you get them arrested.
This is like, I mean, you people are now doing a kangaroo court. What these gentlemen did, you're following it. Let me reply. If you will let me reply, I will give you the reply.
Arnab, I want to ask Lalita a question.
Yes, go ahead, Sabha. Go ahead, Sabha.
Yeah, please ask.
Arnab, can I ask Lalita
let me give my reply.
No, but you are just giving a speech, Lalita. You're not answering a question.
Lalita?
Sabha, please ask.
But Lalita personally,
Lalita
is a very... Lalita? Yeah, I will. I just have a question for you. Please hear me out, Lalita. And Arnab, I have no... Lalita herself would be appalled personally. But there is a very simple question here. Even your Love Jihad campaign done by members of the Parivar to which you are now a party to which you belong and you've been given a post now, it spoke about mobile phone. Girls were objectified in that. Now you have Haryana, which is a land of carp. Again, you have a situation where women are again these objects, which depending on how they dress, they are going to be raped, lured, and they are somehow putting bad thoughts into the mind of the men. The fact is that all these people are emboldened today because there is an underbelly called the Sangh Parivar. All these guys think their government is in power. Unless you speak out. Okay,
unless you take action. No, 1 second, Sabha, speaking out. No, 1 second. Speaking out means nothing. Speaking out means nothing. So, you know what can happen? Lalita Kumaramangalam, just one second. Be patient. No, 1 second, Ms. Kumaramangalam. You see, it's one thing to say. I know what you're going to say, Ms. Kumaramangalam.
You can't just make accusations.
But you can't. You have to answer a question. Who's making an accusation? I'm making an accusation. I am saying today, you tell me.
Cognizance of this and issue a notice to the Hindu Mahasabha. You let me reply or no?
Okay.
What is the point of going on and on?
Okay, so you are going to give a notice.
If you don't let me reply.
Okay.
I'm trying to reply. Give me the chance to reply.
Ji, go ahead.
This is extremely unfair.
No, listen, carry on. Complete your point and then I'll ask you.
Yeah, I was going to say that as chairperson of the National Commission of Women, we are allowed to take suo motu cognizance of such things which are totally reprehensible and condemnable, and we will do it. We will send a letter asking them, and we will talk to the police if necessary in that particular state, regardless of which party is in power, and we will try and do whatever is within our power. But now, I'd also like to say that these gentlemen do not represent.
No, that's no. I would no. 1 second. At this point, I'll interrupt. 1 second. First of all. Sorry, sorry to steal. No, I don't want to steal your thunder on this one. My point is this. No, 1 second. You know Lalita Kumaramangalam. You know that the NCW is a recommendatory body. So you will send them a notice.
Yes.
Let me ask frankly. The president of the Hindu Mahasabha is Swami Chakrapani ji. वो National Commission of Women है. सरकारी संस्था है.
He probably thinks we are beneath his attention.
केंद्र सरकार की बनाई हुई संस्था है. और ये सरकार के नीचे आती है. वो कह रहे हैं कि वो आपको नोटिस भेजने वाले हैं और पुलिस को कहने वाले हैं आपके खिलाफ कार्रवाई करें. आप इस पर कुछ टिप्पणी करेंगे?
देखो ऐसा है, सबसे पहले तो मैं बता रहा हूं कि ये किसके खिलाफ कार्रवाई करे, जो अपराध करता है उसके खिलाफ कार्रवाई की जाती है. और दूसरी बात, अगर जो कोई माँ बाप अगर जो बच्चे को कहता है कि ऐसे नहीं आता. और जहां तक दूसरी बात, पहले बात सुन लो, मेरी बात सुनो,
शाजिया नहीं, ललिता कुमारमंगलम. शाजिया नहीं, ललिता कुमारमंगलम. ठीक नाम कहिए.
इसके कारण मर्द उनका रेप करते हैं. क्या कह रहे हैं आप स्वामी जी?
आप जीन्स पहनेंगे स्वामी जी? स्वामी जी आप जीन्स पहनेंगे? नहीं, 1 मिनट. आप जीन्स पहनेंगे, आप सूट पहनेंगे? स्वामी जी 1 मिनट. स्वामी जी 1 मिनट. स्वामी जी 1 मिनट. स्वामी जी आप सूट पहनेंगे? आप जीन्स पहनेंगे, आप
अरे
टी
मैं
शर्ट
तो पहनने
पहनेंगे,
के लिए जो
आप पहनेंगे या नहीं पहनेंगे, मैं पूछ रहा हूँ, सवाल का जवाब दीजिए,
और मैं आपसे
सवाल का जवाब दीजिए।
नहीं, जब आवश्यकता ऐसी आएगी तो
क्या
जरूर
हमारे
आवश्यकता क्या है कि आपको नहीं, मैं अगर कहूंगा कि सुनिए, एक मिनट, कल से मैंने स्वामी चक्रपाणी बड़े अजीब तरह के इंसान है,
देखो, ऐसा
कोई
है।
उनको पूछे ये बात कि आप क्या करेंगे जो मैं कहूं तो कहते हैं उसकी आवश्यकता क्या है। तो आज जो सारे जो लड़कियां हैं, औरतें हैं, देख रहे हैं, वो आपसे एक ही बात कहेंगे कि आपकी आवश्यकता क्या है। वो आप कौन है बोलने वाले? आपको क्या लगता है आप प्रेसिडेंट बन गए, हिंदू महासभा के सब लोग आपकी बात सुनेंगे? आप कौन है? हिटलर है?
वाला नहीं है। अरे आप सुनो, आप बात तो सुनो। अरे तो
आप
क्या
डिक्टेटर
कहोगे?
हैं।
आप किसी के गार्जियन को कहोगे कि आप बच्चे क्या
आप
करेंगे?
अपनी बात आप
किसी
अपने
के
हिंदू
बच्चे को
महासभा को
आप
चलाइए,
किसी
डोंट
को
एक्सीड योर, आप अपने लिमिट में रहिए प्लीज।
नहीं, देखो,
आप अपने
ऐसा
लिमिट
है,
में रहिए।
मैं आपको बता रहा हूं,
आप अपने
कि
लिमिट
वहां-
में रहिए।
नहीं, लिमिट आप
स्वामी
मेरे को
जी
मत
लिमिट
बताओ।
पे रहिए।
नहीं, विषय वहां के
स्वामी
आप मेरे को
जी
लिमिट मत
लक्ष्मण
बताओ।
रेखा है हिंदू
विषय के
महासभा,
बाहर विचारों
उसके
पे
बाहर
रहिए।
कुछ बोलने की कोशिश मत कीजिए। सरकार होती है, लोग वोट देते बनाते हैं, आप ना सरकार है ना पुलिस है या कुछ भी है। और अगर आपको लगे कि क्योंकि बीजेपी की सरकार हरियाणा में बन गई है तो आपकी अभी चलेगी, वो ऐसे चलता नहीं है। आप प्लीज बी अंडर कंट्रोल, कंट्रोल योरसेल्फ।
नहीं है।
हरियाणा इज पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया। वन सेकेंड प्लीज। अरे स्वामी जी प्लीज, स्वामी जी यू एंड द खाप पंचायत, द पीपल शुड टेक पुलिस एक्शन अगेंस्ट यू। आपके खिलाफ तो पुलिस एक्शन होना चाहिए फिर। एक मिनट, there's only one option is police action. I mean, the only action is police action.
अर्नब, एक बहुत जरूरी पॉइंट।
शाजिया,
आपके कहने से चलती है, नहीं
अर्नब,
सिर्फ आपके कहने पे
अर्नब,
चलेगी।
3 points I want
लोग
to make.
देख रहे हैं,
The
लोग
first
देख रहे हैं।
speaker who says women ask for it, जो भड़काऊ कपड़े पहनने की बात कर रहे थे, मैं उनसे पूछना चाहूंगी, बूढ़ी महिलाओं के साथ, बच्चियों के साथ रेप होते हैं, क्या कपड़े पहनकर ही रेप होते हैं? क्या छोटी बच्चियों की जब रेप होते हैं?
Exactly.
दूसरा सवाल, जो इंसान अपने को स्वामी कह रहा है,
नहीं,
ये
देखो,
इंसान
इसमें
कह रहा है इस
मैंने
वक्त
कहा
कि सारी जिम्मेदारी महिला की होती है और जीन्स की वजह से, जीन्स पाश्चात्य वेस्टर्नाइजेशन के वजह से है। तो क्या women are supposed to be the sole repository of culture? Will he also tell the men of Haryana not to wear jeans? Little boys get raped and are victims of pedophiles.
You see, there are
Is
some
it because
people-
they wear jeans? Can he answer that? And third and most important question is to this Khap Taliban. And if we don't speak up now, we are abetting violence against women.
You see, the problem
so it's
is-
important we speak out right
the
now.
problem
and
is,
shut
I'll
these-
tell you. No,
we are
I'll tell you the
abetting violence
problem.
against women if we allow these
Can I make a point? You see, can I make a point, Shazia? The unfortunate thing in our country is this. Congress, let's look at Haryana. Congress does not have the guts to speak against the Khaps. BJP as of now does not seem to have the guts to speak against the Hindu Mahasabha or the Khaps. Because both Nitin Gadkari and Narendra Modi went and got the support of the Khaps. Now the Khaps are supporting the Hindu Mahasabha. In other words, you've got the numbers, you are the so-called feudal powers, you'll decide what people do. I think what this country needs and the youth of this country need are a group of politicians who don't just give long lectures, mislead people, make tall claims, say we are going to change the country. We're going to change the country. What is the change, Sabha, that people get? The change that people get is this Swami Chakrapani coming and telling you can't wear jeans, can't use telephones. I want to ask Swami Chakrapani, do you use telephone? Do you use a mobile phone? आपके पास है mobile phone? आपके पास है mobile phone?
बिल्कुल है।
तो फिर आप क्यों यूज करते हैं? आपकी कैरेक्टर खराब हो सकती है। आप क्यों मोबाइल फोन यूज करते हैं? नो, आप गलत काम क्यों करते हैं? आप गलत काम क्यों करते हैं?
अरे आप सुनो,
1 मिनट, आप गलत काम क्यों करते हैं? आप गलत काम क्यों? आप एक मिनट, स्वामी जी एक मिनट, एक बार और एक सवाल है, स्वामी जी, आप जो खाप पंचायत से आपको सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, आप उनसे सहमत हैं?
नहीं देखो,
आप उनसे सहमत है? सुनिए, हाँ या ना, आप उनसे सहमत है वो आपको सपोर्ट करें, हाँ या ना?
मैं जानता नहीं, मैं उसके
मैं
बारे
कह
में
रहा
नहीं
हूं।
जानता।
अच्छा,
मैं
तो एक
सिर्फ
मिनट।
ये कहता हूं कि अपनी देसी भाषा सुनो, देसी भाषा और भेष का सम्मान करना चाहिए
Oh
सबको।
God, you know.
ये मैं कह रहा हूं।
ये पता नहीं, स्वामी जी, आप ये फोन यूज करना बंद कीजिए और जीन्स पहनिए।
मोबाइल की बात
आप
है।
जीन्स पहनिए, फोन यूज करना बंद कीजिए, टी शर्ट पहनिए।
स्वामी
वाले पेपर में
जी,
आया
ये सब
था
कह के आप देश
आप
में
अपने आप
रेप
को
को बढ़ावा दे रहे हैं। स्वामी जी, एक तरह से आप रेप को बढ़ावा दे रहे हैं, रेपिस्ट का मनोबल ऊंचा कर रहे हैं कि वो रेप करने के बाद कहेगा नहीं मेरी कोई गलती नहीं है, गलती तो उस लड़की की थी जिसने जीन्स पहना। तो आपके ऊपर अबेटमेंट टू रेप का भी चार्ज लगना चाहिए कि आप भड़का रहे हैं पुरुषों को कि आप रेप करो, क्योंकि आपकी गलती नहीं है। आप लोग तो जो है, अगर आप संस्कार की बात करते हैं तो आप अच्छी चीजों की बातें करिए, ना कि क्राइम की।
नहीं, आपके बोलने से कानून लग जाता है। अरे कोई माँ बाप अपने बच्चे को अच्छे ड्रेस नहीं पहनाएगा क्या? अपने माँ बाप की किसी
अच्छा ड्रेस क्या होता है?
अच्छे ड्रेस पहनाता तो
अच्छा और बुरा देश का कानून डिसाइड करेगा। अच्छा और बुरा आपका ये कपड़ा रंग जो है सैफरन कलर नहीं डिसाइड करेगा। कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है, सरकार है, पार्लियामेंट है, वो डिसाइड करेगी।
आपको इतने सेफरन कलर और भगवा से आपको नफरत है?
नफरत नहीं है, लेकिन आप इसका दुरुपयोग मत करिए। आप दुरुपयोग मत करिए। आप जो है सरकार का पालन करिए, संविधान का पालन करिए। आप हम महिलाओं को हमारे अधिकारों से मत छीनिए। आप कैसे हमारे अधिकार छीन लेंगे कि हम फोन पे नहीं बात करें, हम फला जगह नहीं जाएं, हम ये कपड़ा नहीं पहने। आप हमारे फंडामेंटल राइट्स जो कि संविधान ने दिए हैं वो आप नहीं छीन सकते।
This is actually, you see, there are two responses. The central government. शाजिया कुछ कहने आपसे सुनिए प्लीज। आज सुनने का दिन है स्वामी जी।
जी हम ये कहना चाहेंगे कि लड़कों को कुछ नसीहत दी जाए। नरेंद्र मोदी रेड फोर्ट से कहते हैं कि हम बेटों को से नहीं पूछते कि तुम कहाँ थे, लेकिन बेटियों से पूछते हैं। तो नरेंद्र मोदी को ये अपनी स्पीच जो है खट्टर साहब तक पहुंचानी चाहिए। सबसे बड़ी बात, जब तक मुलायम सिंह यादव कहते रहेंगे लड़कों से गलती हो जाती और खाप तालिबान इस तरह की बातें करता रहेगा, हम बढ़ावा दे रहे हैं इस तरह के सेक्सिस्ट एटीट्यूड को जिसकी शिकार हो रही है लड़कियां, हमारी बच्चियां। इसलिए ऐसे लोग जिस तरह की भड़काऊ बात करते हैं वो बढ़ावा दे रहे हैं सेक्सिज्म को, रेप को।
Okay, one second. I have three questions for Lalitha Kumaramangalam. I have three questions for Lalitha Kumaramangalam. Ms. Kumaramangalam, do you think that what is happening today and what the BJP government both in the center and the state of Haryana are allowing is turning the whole idea of your pre-election slogan of India First on its head?
I think to a large extent it probably may do it.
Thank you for your honesty. My second question to you is,
populace in this country,
my second question to you is,
women are not given their rights and the respect that they deserve, then I think it's very difficult to claim that India is really
Ms. Kumaramangalam, I appreciate your honesty. My second question to you is, what is happening and what your central and state governments are allowing, do you think this is completely against what the BJP promised the women of India in the run-up to the elections?
Arnab, I don't know what the state government has done except from what I've heard.
It's done nothing. No, it's done nothing. No, it's done nothing.
As central government is concerned, I can assure you that this sort of behavior will not be tolerated.
Now my last question to you is, my last question to you is, we are impatient that people with an antediluvian outlook, prehistoric outlook, not even prehistoric, I would say completely out of touch, unforgivable, immoral outlook like Swami Chakrapani should face police action. Do you believe, Ms. Kumaramangalam, as NCW chairperson and BJP spokesperson, that if the Haryana government refuses to take police action against the Hindu Mahasabha or the Khaps and hopes and pretends that this issue will die away, that somewhere the young people of this country will just ignore it and say, you know what, let's forget these things happen. Let's just think about, new government in Maharashtra, new government in Haryana. Let's be euphoric about politics. Let's forget what the people of this country want, right? Do you believe that if the Haryana government refuses to act, then the central government should act and intervene in this matter against people like the Hindu Mahasabha to teach them a lesson?
First of all, Arnab, I'm not here as a spokesperson. I'm here as
no, but what is your own view? Do you feel?
Yeah, let me finish. I feel very strongly personally, but I'm not here to just espouse my personal feelings. As the chairperson of the National Commission of Women, I feel that the Hindu Mahasabha and the other gentleman who was talking on your show need to be at least questioned about why they are tacitly almost encouraging rapists and why they are objectifying women in the 21st century and coming up with such totally ridiculous, pathetic and totally condemnable statements like they have on today's show. I don't think this helps in taking India forward at all. In fact, they are taking us many steps backward. And they give an extremely bad impression, not just of themselves, but of the entire party. And I really hope that they, I mean, understand.
You know,
what they're
Miss
doing
Kumara
to not
Mangalam, you are a
only,
very,
in the
you are a
name
very
of
well-meaning
Hindu
person.
culture,
You are a very
condemning
well-meaning person. No, once
the
you are a very
entire law.
well-meaning person. I know that. And for you as NCW chief to
it's
come out
not
and
just
have the
about
courage to
meaning,
say I
no,
disagree with it. But you
whatever
know
is in
something,
my power,
you know
I will
something,
do
Swami
to see that
Chakrapani,
this sort of behavior
people
is
like
not
Swami
perpetuated.
Chakrapani and Ramesh Panu, they don't care. They know that Mr. Khattar, the Chief Minister of Haryana, does not have the guts to take action against them. I think this is a litmus case, and this is the litmus test for the BJP, this case. That in this country, completely challenging the authority of the Indian Constitution in an open and brazen manner. This is the biggest issue that, you know, they have openly, a group called the Hindu Mahasabha is openly issuing Taliban-like diktats on women in a state where the BJP has come to power. Narendra Modi was at the swearing in 2 days back. This is a test case. This is an issue on which Smriti Irani must talk. This is an issue on which all women leaders in the BJP outside Maneka Gandhi should talk. This is an issue on which all young people in this country must talk. This is an issue on which the central government and Mr. Modi must speak. And Mr. Khattar must speak. And if the answer at the end of this is, let's hope that this issue goes away, dies away. Sabha, if the idea is to have an ostrich-like approach and let the women of Haryana go through what they are going through, right? Right? Just let them suffer in silence and let's hope the media stops covering the story and embarrassing us a little bit. Sabha, if that's the response, then what happens?
Yes.
Then what's the message which goes out?
Arnab, I think that is the... Arnab, first of all, the Hindu Mahasabha, the most famous member of the Hindu Mahasabha that I know in my mind is Nathuram Godse. So that was the father of the nation. Now we are talking about the women, the girls, the women of a state which borders the national capital, which has a tradition of khaaps and this kind of honor killings and all of this. And one would appeal after the kind of victory that the BJP has had. Lalita is, in fact, one should applaud Lalita for going aside from what the usual BJP spokesperson might say. You know, she's sort of being much more humane about the whole thing. But these people, to my mind, they deserve, these are little vermin which are coming crawling out right now because they think that time has come.
Yeah.
And I repeat, the most famous member of their group has been Nathuram Godse. And that was the father of the nation, and now they're talking about the young girls of the country. And the first gentleman started off by saying, Arnab, we ignored him. He started off by saying ki saade kapde, kale safed kapde. This is a country full of color and beautiful sarees. Beautiful fabric. He doesn't even know the colors of this country. And this the second gentleman thinks that this color, saffron color, belongs to him. We all have hundreds of clothes in saffron colors. Who on earth are these people that one has to listen to these days? They don't respect human rights.
The biggest test is whether the BJP stands by the women of this country, by women's rights, or it surrenders to vote politics. Whether it is going to be divisive India or a united India.
This is the biggest challenge for the BJP. Everybody is watching. Biggest challenge for the central government. National Commission of Women chairperson says on television she's going to issue a notice on this. I hope you're going to do it. I hope you're going to follow it up. I hope you need to question them. But the government, the central government, needs to assure the people of this country. The women of this country will need to be assured that these kind of people cannot change the way people live their lives. Thank you very much. Swamiji, sochiye. Zara sochiye. Thank you very much for joining me on this debate on the News Hour tonight.